Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. First off, I just want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you all. I appreciate you more than you know. And thank you for anybody who comes in to watch my EDC knife content. Today, we've got kind of a cool unboxing from New Breed EDC. So I'm going to find my Amazon razor knife. I'm going to get into the side of this. And this is what we got, guys. This is Loot 10 Texas knife. NB EDC, New Breed EDC's got some eyeballs looking out up there. Stay the New Breed. Clydesdale, serial 126 of 400, steel 14C 28N, grind hollow, blade finish satin, stonewash titanium, blackwash titanium hardware, OEM Kubey, QC'd by Mark, Arm Boy. Thank you for your support. Watch your fingers. New Breed sticker, cleaning cloth, and the knife. Got another reversible clip, little pin thing there. So let's put this up. First off, I love the black and tie. I think that looks very cool, very elegant. It's got a unique blade. Look at that hollow grind. Holy smokes. All right. At one point, my understanding is there was going to be a flipper tab here, and after some of the protos, they decided to get the detent they wanted, and I think they achieved it. That front flipper, you've really got to give it a flick, which is good. You know me and front flippers. Let's see if I can. But the middle finger flick is cash money. You can get it from anywhere. Let's see how sharp it is. And guys, this is just an unboxing, not a review. We'll do a review. Ooh. Guys, that tall hollow grind. I wasn't sure when I first saw it what I thought about the blade, because it was such a departure from what I'm used to. But holding it, the sharpening choil is done great. The hollow grind is wicked. I don't know if you guys can see that. We'll get some measurements when I do the review on it. No side to side at all. I love the satin. But what you'll notice is this gives you a perfect grip for your detail cuts. Gives you a perfect place to put your finger if you're using that tip. Whether you're using it to pick splinters, detail cuts. Guys, I'm a big fan of this knife. I'm so glad I took a chance on it. I want to say this is only $115, $125, OEM by Kubey, T8 hardware all the way around. You've got this super nice 14C 28N blade. You've got the satin on the flats, belt satin down here on the grind. 14C28N right there in the choil. Weight relief on both scales and a really nice liner lock. Give you a couple of quick size comparisons just to what I've got in my pocket and sitting here next to me. I have got the Asher Spiro I'm getting ready to review, which is about bug out sized. And then I have the Strider SNG, which is going to be much smaller than the SNG. And then I've got the Baby Banter. So about the same size as the Asher Spiro, which is going to mean it's about the same size as a bug out. But guys, like I said, I will get dimensions, we will get weights. I'll carry it for a week or two, give you my thoughts. My initial thoughts are it works very well. I love the jimping. I love the ergos. Don't even feel the clip. Yeah, I think it's a fantastic knife. Like I said, I'm very, very glad I took a chance on it. It wasn't something that I was initially on my radar. I'd heard so many good things about it that I had to buy one and bring it in, and I wanted to support Loot. I've kind of watched him on his live streams as he's been designing this knife. To say it's a passion project is an understatement. It's a passion project with a badass knife attached to it. So I'm stoked, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing. Again, I'll carry it for a week, 2 weeks, give you kind of a more in-depth overview with some dimensions, weights, things like that. What I'm going to ask you guys, like I always do, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. And always choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. I hope you have a fantastic day. Until we meet again, peace.